Welcome back, Wall Street Pete. And I hope you're having a good day, Wall Street Pete. Sicto in crypto. We have a nice, exciting video for you right now, and we're going to go right into it without further ado. What is going on today? Why did I have a crazy video of me yelling, screaming about silly stuff, right? I can't apologize about it because what we were going to go through was scary, all right? We want to talk about NFTs and what is going to happen and how it's going to change the world, but I did have to speak about my previous video earlier today. We can see a possible Bitcoin of this action here, okay? It's still here. This is the hourly. Do not be alarmed. Please don't lose your mind, but there's a chance. There is a chance, and if you look, we've been here before. So, all my followers, I just want to be real, and I just want to let you know that there's a possibility, and you can't panic. This is a possible correction. This is a possible scenario. What I do see really forming here, and I'm hoping that this is where we're really at, is this. And I'll show you in a second. Just bear with me. And then we're going to get right into this NFT. I do hope that this is what we're looking to see here. But you cannot tell. All we can do is use our indicators, right? And hope that our indicators, when we are on and we're paying attention, can tell us what we need, because they'll always be correct. Technical analysis is not a lie. Technical analysis will save your butt, and that's just the truth of it all. And that's why we use it. That's why I tell everyone, get TradingView. It's a real thing. You have to get TradingView. Sometimes you need to, just check in and zoom in a little bit, and you can see what's been happening. I want to zoom in just a little. Our dominance is falling, and I've kind of been telling everybody this. If you look, we're getting 2 red dots. That's all I wanted to see real quick. Our dominance is falling, and I still believe that M is forming, and that's what I'm a little concerned about. So we're going to look at that. We're going to pay attention to that within the next, I guess, evening here and in the morning, and we'll see what happens. What am I excited about, though, with these NFTs? This is wild. If you pay attention, what does NFT mean, and what does the deal with the gaming crypto, right? What does everybody keep getting so excited about? Talking about this cryptocurrency and the gaming. Well, we know what an NFT is. It's a non-fungible token that has a profitable value of what it can be sold at. So it's created, it's a GIF, it's a video, it's an art, it can be a basketball card, it can be, not a basketball card, I apologize, a basketball digital video, which is what they're going to do with the NFL, they're going to do with the MLB. ENJIN, this is why I am so bullish on ENJIN. What about gaming cryptocurrency in the general and ENJIN in particular? What does it have to do with the NFTs? ENJIN cryptocurrency is the cryptocurrency for the Ethereum built gaming platform for the same name. ENJIN crypto can be used in the transitions of non-fungible tokens that exist with ENJIN's gaming realm. For example, imagine that in your favorite ENJIN-backed game, you have a valuable weapon, COD, Call of Duty, want to sell to someone else. This weapon can be linked to an NFT through blockchain and assigned monetary value. This becomes a tradable asset. Another gamer can then buy that weapon from you using the ENJIN, with the blockchain platform providing the transactional pathway and smart contracts. This is mind-blowing. Gaming cryptocurrencies like ENJIN open up digital assets to be traded or sold to other players, creating new economies that exist exclusively in the digital realm. Meanwhile, the worlds existing within a particular gaming platform can merge and expand into multiverses. Do you believe this? ENJIN is going to $100 this year. I'm telling you right now, there's no way. We will see $80 to $100 ENJIN this year. This is what everybody I talk to in the gaming world wants. Everybody I speak to tells me they want all the skins. They want everything. I don't understand why, and now I do. All these people want to collect the skins of the gun, the color, everything. I don't understand why, but now this is the stuff you can do. You have your skin, right? And you'll just be sitting there shooting people away, and you'll be able to keep it. And if somebody sees something cool in a camo that you have, now you can take your camo and now you can sell it with the gun or the reticle or whatever they may offer. That is a rarity, and the more rarity it is, obviously, the more value you have. It's just like any investment. These are the NFTs.
Hey guys, welcome back to
live in. The world's crazy, but now we're going to go talk to a little bit of what Mark Cuban has to say. Let's hear what he has to say. He had a little conversation today, March 19th. That's what this was.
They're ridiculous.
Do you think Ether can become as a suitable store of value as Bitcoin is? And what in DeFi made you become kind of more bullish on crypto in general?
So the biggest limitation right now are transaction costs.
So remember, we just talked about transaction costs through the NFTs, right? And Ethereum is run through with the ENJIN. So this is important that we listen to this right now. Listen to Mr. Cuban, successful man.
And smart contracts on blockchain remind me of the early days of the internet when people realized that there is a network effect, and that with just HTML and then some basic JavaScript, you could do a whole lot of business and create a whole lot of new businesses. So there were companies that only sold books in bookstores, and then Amazon came around. There were only radio and television, and then AudioNet, putting audio and video as broadcast.com came along, and now streaming's ubiquitous.
So he goes on, and as we go on into the video, I want you to understand what he talks about here, because it's really important. This is why he's been selling his basketball players Ethereum and paying them his not selling. He sold them. Yeah, he did. He convinced already millionaires on his team, to accept the Ethereum as payment. Could you imagine? Being a millionaire and all of a sudden you're getting USD dollars, you're getting millions, and someone's telling you, yeah, get cryptocurrency. And everyone's worrying about it falling, right? And everyone's skeptical, but yet he's paying them since 2018. And the money's gone up since then. It was $35 a share of Ethereum in 2018. Anything above that right now is amazing, right? Let's go on to hear what he says.
A better way to answer it, I'd buy Ethereum on a pullback before I'd buy Bitcoin. And so when Bitcoin pulled back,
we got to go back to the 2 minutes. This is important, and I'm really sorry about that.
Where it's easier, even though you have to over collateralize, it's easier to borrow in seconds. Yeah. Even again, still, I guess it depends on where else you'd be borrowing, but still relatively high transaction costs. But still, if you've got $200 in Ether or Bitcoin and you want to wrap it, and then you want to borrow $100 at 2.3%, it takes you 15 seconds, right? And that's incredible.
Between Bitcoin and ETH, is it split like halfway, or do you own more of?
All right. So before he goes into what he talks about, what he owns, did you hear what he said? Basically, you're going to be able to borrow against Bitcoin at a percent rate, and it's like a loan. Once you own a certain amount, you'll be able to do this as it appreciates in value. Now, let's see what he owns. This is 4 days ago.
One or the other?
I own more ETH in terms of just number of ETH. I own more in dollar in Bitcoin, but that's changing as I'll wait for a little pullback on Ethereum since it's had a run up. But I just bought some Aave yesterday. Nice. And so right before it's run up. So I've been buying Aave for a while. But I'd say if I'm going to buy new stuff, that's probably a better way to answer it. I'd buy Ethereum on a pullback before I'd buy Bitcoin. And so when Bitcoin pulled back to 30,000, I didn't buy more. When Ethereum pulled back to 1,000, I did buy more. And if it
blows my mind. So he's saying, basically, is what he's saying is, when Bitcoin went down to 30,000, he didn't jump in and say, okay, well, he's trying to help you understand that. Listen, what he did was, excuse me. You like the Bitcoin? I love the Bitcoin pillow. It's going to be going into our office. So we're going to be remodeling the office. We're going to have a couple TVs on the wall. We're going to be getting a little bigger here. We're going to be able to expand, and you're going to be seeing our company grow. Wall Street Pete, Sicto in crypto. I know I jumped off topic. Please hit that like, subscribe. We're trying to get 1,000 subscribers. So as of today, when I go to live, I'll be able to go live on my phone. You'll be able to see my charts. We'll be able to better speak in detail. But until I get that last checklist, I need the last checklist. So it's why it's very important for you to hit the like button on my videos so we can get it to the top and we can get this important information through. But going back with Mr. Mark Cuban here, he's been buying Aave. So I would suggest you listen to what he's doing. Pay attention, listen to what he's saying, and start doing what he's doing is what I mean. Mark Cuban's very successful. As I said, 2018, he convinced his basketball team to start accepting Ethereum. And like I said, I'm getting paid millions and millions of dollars. It's going to be pretty hard to convince me to accept another currency outside of money like that. And, he did it. So I guess they believe in him, and congratulations to Mark Cuban and all the basketball players. If you want to pay attention, go take a peek at all the players. They really don't jump around too much from the Dallas Mavericks. It looks like they're starting to hang out with him once they get there. But NFTs are definitely the thing. Please pay attention for this fallback on Bitcoin. Yes, nobody really knows if you're going to go up or down sometimes. You sound like the weatherman, and it makes you sound silly. Yes, that is one of the things people are going to say about Wall Street Pete or any other technical analysis. They're going to tell you. Carl to the Moon even said it. He said, I caught him saying something like, you can't always say it's definitely going up or down until we get into the moment of the technical analysis. And that's just what it's going to take. So let me get my head out. I wanted you to see what Aave was doing and what you could do with Aave because it could be a very important purchase. And I want everyone to understand that that can be good. We could definitely get into that. Let's see, Aave. I apologize. All right. So if you look on my watch list, as you could do this, I told everyone to get TradingView. I really recommend it. I highly recommend you get it. I just bought some not too long ago, and we look to be seeing that we just skipped an M. See, now you see what happened? That M was rejection. It was a fake out M, and I do expect us to climb a little better here now. So the market's starting to look healthy. If I jump back to Bitcoin and I remove my drawings, we're looking at the hourly on Bitcoin here. Before I get off, I just wanted to show everyone. This was a weird wild M we got, right? You see the M here. I know you see this M for sure. Sometimes you get these M's back to back, which kills the price. We're looking for this. This is what we're looking for, okay? That's what we want. There is a chance that we're done, and that 47, 48K was a scare and the M on the rejection. But do remember, when we do get this retracement, we will see, look for this prices. This old support line here is in the 47, 48,000. And that's what concerns me. So when we do have a retracement, you do have to pay attention to this. But as of right now, we seem to be back into the healthy term. We'll have to pay clear attention to what's going on. Wall Street Pete, Sicto in crypto. If I feel it's necessary to come back, I will. Have a wonderful evening. Enjoy your dinner. Have a wonderful night. Peace in and peace out.